but they aren't purple.
Welcome, explorers. I'm Mrs. John.
Hello, Pocky. Do you have an egg for me today? Thank you, Pocky. What's inside? It's a sticker. This looks like an easy to draw alligator. So let's put this on our easy to draw animals page. Should we put the alligator over here? There we go. We have lots of different animals here. Easy to draw animals. Today we're going to open up this Learn to Draw activity book, Wipe Clean Animals book. And we've done several pages in here before. Today we're going to do a page that talks about wild animals. We have a polar bear and a parrot. So a polar bear looks like this. And it says polar bear. Polar BEAR. Now we're going to get out our little marker and we're going to write polar bear right here. We're going to trace it. POLAR BEAR. And this polar bear has eyes and a nose, so we're going to draw the head and the ears and the shoulders. I'll draw the nose area and the mouth. Okay, so now we get to do it. Write polar bear here, and then we're going to draw a picture of the polar bear. So POLAR BEAR. And now we're going to draw the polar bear. So we'll draw the eyes first. Okay. And the nose. We'll draw the head. And the ears. The shoulders. And then this nose part. And the mouth. There, we made our own polar bear. Now let's look at this parrot. See the parrot? And parrot is PARROT. Now let's write parrot. PARROT. Now we're going to draw the parrot. This is kind of a tricky one, huh? So it has the eye. We'll go around the eye, and then we'll draw part of its head and the body and the beak. There's the parrot. And now we're going to write parrot. 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 All right, now let's see if I can draw this parrot. There's the eye. Okay. And then it has that around it. And that. And then it has the body. And then it has the beak. And this part of the beak. There. How's that? Does that look like a parrot? All right, those are wild animals. Now, we are going to look at these chicks and these green animals and then black animals. So, circle the wrongly colored chicks. All right, so chicks can be lots of different colors, but there are some colors that chicks don't naturally come in. So, chicks can be yellow and tan and brown, but they aren't purple. So let's circle the purple one because that's not what color chicks are. What about blue? Are chicks blue? Nope, that's the wrong color too. But the rest of these are colors of chicks, baby chicks. I love baby chicks so much. Now we're supposed to circle the green animals. All right, so this one, this frog is definitely green. This lizard does not look green. This frog or toad does not look green. And that guy has some green on him. Let's circle that because he's mostly green. And then this one, is this a gecko or some kind of lizard? What kind of lizard is that? Do you know? That one's green. Okay, so we have the green animals. And then write the number of black animals in this box. Well, we have, all of these are black animals. We have a puppy, and a rabbit, and a swan, and a horse. So let's count how many there are. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's write 4. We have 4 black animals in this box. Well, that was exciting. What do you think? We talked about colors, and we talked about how numbers, we talked about words, and we drew pictures, and it was a lot of fun.
Did you find my baby chick hiding in this video? Subscribe to my channel for new videos every weekday and Saturdays at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you for visiting me in my kitchen today. Please come back soon. Please press the like button below this video. Have a lovely day.